Hey, social butterflies, we are 1 week away from our first set of races for the social butterfly season, the 2020 season that shall go on. I found out, and I need to get the date, that we are the longest established women's sailing group in the United States. What? So we're keeping this going, all right? What's fantastic is I am recording this during one of the rainiest, crummiest days out there. And next Wednesday's forecast is glorious. Mid 80s, and ladies, the wind's going to be about 12 miles per hour. So another gusty one at the beginning. So for all my sailors, I'll be posting another video as far as your checklist, and probably have a little words like a document to go with it. Your checklist when you're setting up your boats, all right? So I'm going to save that for another video or another document, news release, and stuff like that. But we want to make sure that you're out there having fun and being safe, and that is being prepared. I do want to share, we are going to have a new race committee. Greg Kuntz and Gary Schroeder, my MC buddies, are helping us out, and no better time for our social distance world where we can't have too many people on the committee boat. They could do it single-handed if we needed them to, okay, which they're pretty good, right? We're going to have some great start lines, and I'm excited about that. We also are going to have new rescue boats, and we are going to have girl power. I'm training on Friday, Grayson Chamblin and Sedona Miles, and later on, Chuck Seeley, or Charleston Seeley, it's a girl, sweet name, for rescuing butterflies. And the juniors are going to be sailing some butterflies this year until we get some modifications or permissions from the CDC in Jackson County. So they're going to be familiar with the butterflies. We're going to be tipping it over, turtling it. They're in the water rescuing. They're going to learn how to get you back on the boat and so on. So my goal is for you to feel confident that those safety boats are there and competent and equipped for your safety, okay? Thus the purpose of the safety boat and the rescue boat. Otherwise, my non-sailors, right? Just because we've got this weird situation of not being able to gather, and not really meaning food service also, where we can get that transfer of, I guess, this virus, I am hoping that you will be able to come out on the water and watch us. I'm in the attempt. I'm not tech savvy enough, but we're going to try. So if you come out, this week is probably going to be best in a boat because it's going to be pretty powerful wind. If you want to bring your phones, I think I'm going to try to set up a Facebook Live event. I'm going to have Pam Sweezy kind of do a commentary of our starts. And maybe, if she feels interested enough, maybe follow some racers through and just give you an idea of what sailors are thinking about when they start, as far as their pre-race routine, even making decisions out on the race course itself. So maybe it's while you are watching the races, you're getting a little more information and can appreciate not only our races, but if you really enjoy watching these boats sail around, being able to go out on the weekends and appreciate the races for the Sea Scows and the Seas. Honestly, racing is racing. Okay, no matter what boat you're in, pre-start routine, right? Start lines, I would say essentially the same. It covers all gamuts, even those huge, gigantic foiling boats, okay? So that's all I have for now. I look forward to seeing you guys out there on Wednesday. And sailors, check out that video for Feeling Prepared. I'm looking forward to mid-80s and windy. Let's do this.